safety audits will be conducted. Then we will also work with the local police, which I already said, with the SP, and establish a community policing program which includes regular patrols around the hospital premises, especially during night hours. Is that fine? And then regular feedback mechanism from your end. We'll set up anonymous feedback mechanism where women doctors can share their experience and suggest improvements as well. And this feedback will be viewed regularly with actionable insights which will be implemented. And periodic safety reviews will be conducted, which Dr. Kumar and Dr. Shukla, myself, will go through it personally. And in the coming days, we will be looking into safety measures which we can implement for you. And this is a reminder that let us work together to create an environment where doctors, nurses, healthcare workers can perform their duties without fear. Here again, I want the nursing in charge also, matron. So ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣಂತೆ. ಈಗ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ PG should not be left alone or an intern. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಒಂದು 3 ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So that it's not like one person has to go around and complete a circle. So 3 departments ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ so they can be frequently monitored then. And definitely, as being part of the government and policy makers, I will be reviewing and strengthening the laws protecting women in the workplace and implement policies which will ensure the safety of our healthcare workers, our doctors, and ensure that the offenders are brought to justice swiftly and decisively. And in our hospital, we are looking at safety of women and not protection. This I want to say. This is going around everywhere. Why should women be protected? We represent half the population, right? Till date, we are talking about only protecting women. See, I myself, have you watched the news yesterday? There was some NCC camp. Around 8 to 10 girls were raped in that camp. And everywhere we go, first of all, sending our daughters or our sisters to such NCC camps. Other than academic interest, we always encourage students to participate in such activities. When there is no safety, a mother has to think 10 times, not forget twice, 10 times. You're sitting in a Uber car, you're all the time watching. You come out, when I go to the sunset, I have to keep watching everywhere. Whether the vehicle I am boarding, if I get a vehicle which will drop me to my hotel, I have to see who is sitting inside the vehicle. Am I the only person with the driver? So before I sit in the car, I have to call somebody, and usually my son is with me, so I make a call to him saying I'm coming now. So why should we be so careful all the time? So as a society, we want to be treated as equals and given equal opportunity, equal respect for our duty, and respect us as a human. Not as a woman, as a human. So even the e-teasing, our colleges also, towards ragging, incidents have been coming to our offices here and there in other institutions as well. So just watch out around you. Anything bullying, ragging, or any such incidents, please bring it to our notice. Don't just keep it within your circles. Bring it to the notice of the higher-ups, and we are there for you. And we need to be taught from home. Yeah, this I believe as a mother also, that women are equal. Society has to respect and treat women as equals. And there's always a constant selfish vigilance. Does this happen to you? Even the other day, whenever we speak about Nirbhaya incident or any other incident, even the NCC girls incident, we are all the time, did the parents check who is going along with them, the hotel where they are staying? So every time we have to be extra careful when we are sending our daughters or when we ourselves are traveling. Even during your PG or college days, if you want to go on a trip with other interns, so naturally the question comes, who is traveling with you? Is it all girls or boys? I think nowadays the trend has changed. ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬರೀ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದು ಸೇಫರ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ along with you, then you are safer. Is it true? That is the trend now. When you are traveling in a group of boys and girls, always the parents feel safer. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ traveling in a vehicle, even dinner, movie plans. Even you want to go to use a washroom in a movie also, you want to take another friend along with you. And the first thought is always, was she careful enough? Right? Any such incident, was she careful enough? So how many more years should all of us go through this thought, was she careful enough? That is the lingering thought in my mind as well. From my side, in our institution and in Davangere constituency, I've already got a feedback from the SP who is in charge. What is the crime rate in my constituency, which covers 8 taluks? Okay, what is the crime rate against women, and what is the security steps which are being taken? And we are having a meeting soon with the SP. She's already sent me a written document. And I'll be meeting the CG hospital staff as well, and we'll try to bring in incremental changes, things which can be done immediately. We'll start implementing it from in all our hospitals and at CG and Women and Child Health, Women and Child Hospital as well, and later on with the SP madam, and even with the security municipality commissioner regarding the street dogs as well. Shukla ma'am was saying the dogs have started using lifts as well. So we'll start working together as a team, and all the stakeholders will come together and bring a comprehensive change in the security and safety of all of us together. Thank you very much. And I
20th.
So we meet once in 3 months and see what changes have been done. We'll make a list of the entire changes and whatever steps need to be taken in each of the premises. We'll get a separate document done, both in Modi Eye Compound, then CG, Bapuji Child Health, then JJM College, then the entire group of institutions. And I want somebody in charge from your end who is aware of issues that maybe one representation from child health, one from CG, something like that. Maybe 3 to 4 representation, so that will be good. You will be aware of the issues which all the PGs interns are facing, and once in a while, not frequently, once in 3 months we'll meet, and you can also follow it up with Shukla ma'am and myself regarding the immediate concerns. Anything, last words for this meeting? Silence is ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು 2 hours ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, 3 hours 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ
12 ma'am. 12.
So it's already now.
We don't have a resident doctors union now, so that would be helpful. I would think a student body,
a resident doctors and postgraduate resident with representation from each department, and they can come.
Yeah, I want one person from each department: medicine, surgery, radiology, anesthesia. All together, second years can take the lead, because now final years are busy with your exams. I think second years can take the lead and just represent from each department. Yes, yes. Right.
So that will be how many representations then? 10 or 12?
From 19.
Clinical departments only have a lot of problems.
Oh.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Akshita from third year anesthesia PG. I know you've spoken about it, ma'am, and I just wanted to bring up the stipend issue again, because we officially became third years from March, and accordingly,
Yes, yeah, we know that.
Yes,
Second
but,
years we get from November, the final
yes,
years
ma'am,
we
I
get
just
from
want to
March.
know, like,
Yes.
because you've been
That
hanging
has
around
been
for this for 3-4 months now.
Yes, yes.
And all you've been told is it will get implemented soon. We have spoken about it. It will happen. But nothing is happening. So I really hope that it happens.
It
soon.
has been brought up. I think me and madam will, I'll update. It's not the new one what you're asking, it's the old one only what you're not getting.
Yes, ma'am. Not only that, ma'am, even we want to know if it's like whether it will be updated to the government salary to match the government salary, or will it at least be a 5K increment? What we're supposed to be getting 40K, at least will that come, or will we have to settle for the 35,000 itself?
Yeah,
Is
I
what
know
we
that
want.
hike you didn't get this year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm aware of it. I've made the management also aware of it. I think it will be sorted out.
See, I can't comment anything right now. Only thing what I can say right now is, it is very promising. It is brought to our notice, and soon we will take a decision in your favor. In your favor. In your favor.